The MG7 is sending a clear message that safety is no longer just a promise from the brand, but something that is being delivered in real-world testing. With the latest assessment from the Australasian New Car Assessment Program, the MG7 has secured a 5-star safety rating, marking a major step forward for MG and giving buyers added confidence behind the wheel. In crash testing, the MG7 demonstrated solid and reassuring performance across multiple impact scenarios. The structure of the liftback remained stable during frontal and side collisions, helping to protect occupants when it matters most. This level of performance shows that MG has invested serious effort into the underlying safety engineering of the MG7, not just the design or technology features buyers see on the surface. What really strengthens the MG7 safety story is its comprehensive list of standard active safety systems. Autonomous emergency braking is included and works with pedestrian, cyclist, and motorcyclist detection, helping the vehicle react to potential hazards in busy urban environments. Lane Keep Assist with emergency intervention helps prevent unintended lane departures, while Intelligent Speed Assistance supports safer driving by monitoring speed limits. A driver monitoring system also plays an important role by keeping an eye on driver alertness and issuing warnings when fatigue or distraction is detected. These technologies work together to support both occupant protection and the safety of other road users, creating a vehicle that feels well prepared for a wide range of everyday driving situations. Rather than relying on a single feature, the MG7 uses a layered approach to safety, combining crash protection with modern driver assistance systems. The 5-star result highlights how far MG has come in meeting modern safety expectations, especially in a competitive market where buyers expect advanced safety features as standard. For drivers looking for a stylish liftback that does not compromise on protection, the MG7 now stands as a strong and reassuring option.